Hi everyone, Kristen here with the Museum of Arts and Sciences. I wanted to start out by sending out a huge thank you to anyone who has viewed, liked, or shared the baking tutorials that we've posted during this time. I look forward to baking a few more times with you. We are going to be rolling out a summer baking series complete with some wonderful bakes and non-bake recipes. Fun for everyone, a couple that are centered towards kids. We're going to be celebrating Shark Week. We've got a lot of really awesome things planned, but we wanted to start providing you with the ingredients list so that you can prep and bake along with me when we post the videos. So our first video, we will be celebrating the Summer Solstice, which is June 20th. So you have plenty of time to get your ingredients and be prepared to make a delicious Lemon Blueberry Buttermilk Cake with cream cheese icing. That is what is on the menu for the Summer Solstice. And these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make this delicious cake. So for the cake, you'll need 8 ounces of buttermilk, 3 ounces of vegetable oil, 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or 2 teaspoons of lemon extract, 13 ounces of cake flour, 12 ounces of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a half teaspoon of salt, a half teaspoon of baking soda, 8 ounces of unsalted butter, 2 cups of blueberries, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So that's what you'll need for the cake. And for the icing, you'll need 16 ounces of cream cheese, 8 ounces of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of lemon extract, a half teaspoon of salt, and 32 ounces of powdered sugar. So those are the ingredients that you'll need to make the cake and the icing. Now, for this bake, it is important to note that the cold ingredients need to be room temperature. So make sure you set those out the night before so that they can get down to a warmer temperature. The recipe calls for room temperature or even a little bit warm. So keep that in mind, and we will see you on June 20th for our Lemon Blueberry Buttermilk